Welcome to our Tech Explainer video. Today, we're tackling a question that many .NET developers encounter. Our viewer is looking for guidance on where to find DbContextTransaction in .NET Core. Let's break down the viewer's question. They are trying to use DbContextTransaction in a .NET Standard library, but are running into some compilation errors. Specifically, they can't find the necessary NuGet package and are unsure how to resolve the missing dependencies.
Welcome back to another technical video. Today we're going to be going through your question, answering it, and hopefully finding that solution. Guys, remember to stay just a little bit crazy like me, and hopefully you get to that resolution. Now, let's continue on.
In .NET Core, the DbContextTransaction class is not directly available as it was in previous versions of Entity Framework. Instead, you can use the DbContext.database.beginTransaction method to manage transactions. To resolve the compilation errors you're facing, first ensure that you have the correct NuGet packages installed. You need to install the Microsoft.Entity Framework Core package. Next, for the missing Marshal by Ref object, this class is part of the System Runtime namespace, which should be included by default in .NET Core. Make sure your project targets .NET Core or .NET 5 and above. Now, let's modify your code to use the new transaction management approach. Replace instances of DbContextTransaction with the transaction object returned from begin transaction. Finally, remember to commit or roll back your transaction as needed. This ensures that your changes are saved or discarded properly. Let's now look at a user-suggested answer. To use DbContextTransaction in .NET Core, you can access it through the DbContext.database API. Start by creating a DbContext instance and begin a transaction. Next, add your data to the tables and save the changes. If all operations succeed, commit the transaction. Make sure to handle exceptions properly to avoid issues during the transaction process.
And that's it. I hope this video has helped you get through to that resolution that you're looking for. If it did, please hit subscribe. And until next time you need technical help, I hope you have a good one. Cheers. Cheers.